Smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this shit is lethal, dog. Who you see? But Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it now, you gotta show me. You gotta bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. It's just a little tear.
Hey friends, it's Ivelisse J, IVELISSE, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now, before we do anything, before we go any further, before you start actually watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, you could just go watch my other videos. Make sure you guys are keeping up with the series, these episodes or whatever. This is already part 4 to like my Nest With Me, let's prepare for the baby type of thing. So like I said, if y'all haven't watched previous episodes, make sure y'all go tune in. So as y'all seen from the title of this video, as y'all seen from the thumbnail, as y'all seen from the preview that I'm pretty sure just played, we are going to be focusing on our hospital bag, the baby bag, stuff like that. So my doctor said it's never too early to start preparing, to start packing, to start, you know, like getting everything ready. So I give birth in about 5 weeks. And I feel like this is the perfect time to start, and this is the perfect time to, you know, just get everything ready, because 5 weeks is going to come so fast. So if you go online, there's a lot of like things on Pinterest, TikTok, Google, like almost anywhere on like what you should be packing in your hospital bag, or like what other people pack that they found as helpful. So I'm just going to include like some of the lists on the screen just so y'all can see more or less what we're packing today. So when I first found the list that I wanted to like follow by or whatever, I already started like picking things up at the store as I went to the store and stuff like that. So I have like a majority of my things, but I'm still missing a lot of things. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're just going to be going shopping for the things, packing the stuff, just making sure everything is like completely ready for the day that I have to go to the hospital. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. Like it's going to be mainly that, like just focusing on my hospital bag. I don't think this is going to be a long video. I think it's going to be like kind of short, but I don't know what is going to be included. I don't know how long the shopping's going to take. I don't know none of that. So I just hope you guys enjoy this video. Y'all seen I just finished getting ready. It is about 9:30. I'm leaving at 10 because that's the time most of the stores open. So right now I'm just going to go downstairs. We're going to make a list together. We're going to eat breakfast, take our vitamins, pack our water, stuff like that, just like get ready to actually leave. But I just wanted to come talk to y'all real quick. In a couple of like the previous videos, I either was missing intros, missing outros, missing whatever. So I just want to make sure I get all that recorded right now.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair with any outfit, that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not better. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
All right, y'all, so I'm coming to y'all a whole different day. I didn't like come back to record that same day because it started raining, and y'all know either when it's raining or when it's like cloudy or when it's dark outside, my videos don't be the best quality. Like right now it's kind of cloudy outside, so that's why the video look like this. And just like overall, I'm still trying to get used to like the background in my room. I feel like duh, I got a boys room, but like I don't know, I used to have like it way brighter in here, but like once I painted the walls and I don't know, it just like looked real different to me. But I'm still trying to get used to it. And this junky corner right here, I need to wait a couple more weeks to try to figure out what to do with it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick, and then after we're gonna like pack the actual bags. When it comes to the baby stuff, I already had all that picked out. Like I needed to like actually sit and actually focus on what I wanted to bring and what I wanted to take and stuff like that. So I already got all that picked out. It's just a matter of like putting it inside the actual bag. But when it comes to my stuff, I really don't have anything. I went shopping probably like a couple weeks ago, and then I bought a couple things when y'all see me go shopping a couple days ago. So like I said, it's just a matter of like putting everything in, making sure everything look good. So from my Walmart trip that y'all seen, I got a little like nightgown, like just a regular long oversized nightgown. I think this is like an extra large, and it was about $8. I bought it because on the, like I said, on the chart that I followed, it said bring a nightgown, bring like pajamas, bring like stuff like that. I also was kind of following like TikTok and their like suggestions also, so it was like kind of a mixed list that I have made. So I seen on TikTok they recommended to buy some Tux cooling pads. It says that some hospitals provide it, some don't, and even if they do provide it, you're gonna need extra for like, you know, the next couple weeks or a couple months that you're recovering. I also bought some fuzzy socks with like little grips on them and some chapstick. I got an all black thin robe. I didn't get like a thick one because I get hot really fast. So I just got a little thin one that's like enough to like cover, but it wasn't like too thick or too uncomfortable. And then as y'all seen, I bought some leggings from Walmart. I usually like to buy my leggings from Walmart. I used to buy them in Forever 21, but they don't really sell them online anymore, the ones that I used to like. So I bought these by mistake capris, thinking that they was like regular length, but we're just gonna make it work. So that's about it. Like I said, I only picked up a couple things because I bought majority of the things last time I went. So now we're about to actually pack the bag, and y'all gonna see what I bought for the baby stuff and stuff like that.
If you want your butt, oh baby, you be lying your butt. I be here, say you buying them first. I can't even lie, you ain't my side, you ain't even know that's fine in person. I can guarantee you if you my kind, she got every bag you can imagine. Big house, I can really be bragging. 100,000 in my mouth, like what's that? And not the big chick, see that's embarrassing. You ain't me, you can keep the comparison. My bitch, probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turning into a sad. Big bitch, got a problem in class. Big chain, doing matching G-Wagon, low key. I been keeping it classy, could be really out here doing them nasty. Niggas couldn't even see me in last. You just started and them niggas in nasty. I ain't even tried to when I pass and giving looks. I contribute to fashion, drop a song. I be giving them cash, stand alone, not your regular rap. Brand new car is noisy, come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can touch me, whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can touch me, whoa. Post my trip up daily just so they can see, whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. I put it dope in the back of the car and I tell her to go. She ain't when she lands, she bang the band, she back on the road. She know how I get when I get in that mode. Ain't fucking with bitches, ain't buying no clothes. Only do shows and maybe some songs. Make sure the other shit come and get sold. We fuck with this cause we play with phones. We play with our money and not what I know. I used to go to the west to get lost. I just came back from the west with a trophy. I'm on some motion. She said she missed it and sending emojis. No time to kick it on my waist emotion. Can't say I miss you, I don't got emotions. I'm on that back when I slip on the flow shit. I'm on that me and the broken control shit. I'm on that back when I still that flow shit. Ain't going broke, I'm just back on my old shit. I'm taking drugs, I don't know how to cope it. I know one thing, I'm never gonna be hopeless. If you tell them what was said, you will roll it. Start a new Corvette like you stole it. Brand new car is noisy, come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can touch me, whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can touch me, whoa. Post my trip up daily it so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. You ain't get nervous. I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys define me.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in road.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
$100 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew without Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, call it the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same fence. Granted, she was standing right there while I keep playing on the brick. I made them little niggas go hate while I tell a man in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto sent you on the dick. Too many convicts, they rolled me to play in this shit. Crowd about nonsense, get old, something spread in this bitch.
I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. We probably have about like 1 or 2 episodes left. So yeah, like I said, we just figuring stuff out together. Y'all seeing my experience through things, and hopefully it's like helping y'all. Hopefully y'all can like I said, like take something away from these videos. So if you want to see more videos like this or whatever I have coming up on my channel, make sure you turn on that post notification so you know every time I post.